Okay, so Tesla stock is absolutely bearish at the moment, despite the bullish candlestick over here, as it is failing to break its resistance lines and it is not confirming even a single bullish signal so far. You might say that Tesla is oversold right now, and you might be right. However, without any bullish confirmation, Tesla will just resume the bearish sentiment until it reaches its next target, its next support line. As the father of technical analysis, Charles Dow, once said about a century ago, trends persist until a clear reversal occurs. Do we see a clear reversal occurring right now? Well, let's take a closer look. My name is Nathan, by the way. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our multiple time frame analysis on Tesla stock. First, in the 1 hour chart, we see that Tesla is trying to stabilize in this area, which is quite good. It is quite interesting. However, we don't see any confirmation of a bottom signal yet. In fact, we are doing nothing but lower highs, lower lows. Although we see an equivalent low today, we don't see a higher high. What's more, Tesla is still below the 21 MA over here in the 1 hour chart. Therefore, the trend is still clearly bearish. In the daily chart over here, in the daily chart, Tesla is still in a bear trend as well. Recently, it engaged a bear trend because we did a bottom level over here. We found a resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times under the 21 MA, and then we did a lower low, losing the previous bottom level at 176. Now we are just in a bear trend, doing lower highs, lower lows. Could Tesla react from here? Yes, it could. However, as I just told you guys, we are still below important key points in the 1 hour chart, not doing higher highs below the 21 MA, and we are below the 164 area over here, which was a previous support level on March 13. Tesla tried to stabilize around this support line, but today we are clearly losing this line over here. And the 164 is right now supposed to work as a resistance level on Tesla in the near future. Therefore, if you are bullish on it, if you believe that Tesla is going to recover well, you gotta wait for the breakout of these key points because Tesla is not gonna materialize any bullish reversal, any possible bounce until we remain below these two key points over here, the 164 and the 21 MA in the daily chart. What's more, to make things even more complicated, we see the indices not reacting at all around their support lines. We see the S&P doing a massive bearish candlestick over here. And again, you might say, but Nathan, this could be an exhaustion bar, right? Yes, it could be. After all, we just materialized a pullback over here. Now we could do, we could be doing this exhaustion bar just to put an end on this pullback before the S&P could react again. Yes, that's a very nice bullish thesis. What's the problem? We don't see any bottom signal yet. As long as we see just bearish candlesticks over here in this support line, we are not going to see the materialization, wow, that's a quite hard word to pronounce, of any bullish thesis over here. So if we see a very good reaction right now on the S&P, maybe tomorrow, maybe by Friday, okay, maybe the market is going to recover. But right now, we don't see any bottom signal. In fact, if the S&P loses the 4078, it is going to trigger a quite dangerous pattern over here because we're going to lose the previous support level, indicating that the S&P could trigger a sharper pullback in the weekly chart as well, maybe to its 21 MA. What's more, the Nasdaq index over here is already losing its support line, the 12.8K, which was a previous support level 1, 2, 3 times and a previous resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in the past. Therefore, 12.8K is a very important key point for tech stocks. We gotta see a bullish reaction on the indices so Tesla can avoid a sharper correction to the next support line, which is 146. And to me, in my humble opinion, as a retail trader, as a retail investor, as a guy, a regular Brazilian guy talking about Tesla stock over here on YouTube, in my humble opinion, Tesla is going to follow the broad market. It is going to follow the indices right now. It is not about Tesla anymore. It is about the broad sentiment. Because you guys have a saying in English, which is, correct me if I am wrong, but I think it is, a rising tide lifts all boats, right? It is something like that. So as long as the macro remains bearish, as long as the macro sentiment is still not that good, money, it is not gonna flow in the stock market. Therefore, it is not gonna flow into Tesla as well. So Tesla will just remain dying in this limbo over here, even considering that Tesla has plenty of room to recover, even considering that Tesla is oversold right now by any metric. It is not gonna go up as long as the broad market remains correcting like this, right? And you may say, oh, but Nathan, RSI is around 30s right now. We see that Tesla lost the Bollinger Bands over here downwards, so it gotta go up, right? I mean, it is too oversold to not go up right now. This is not necessarily true, and I will explain you guys why with a very nice example over here. Here, after earnings, Tesla was around 70s, the RSI was around 70s, Tesla broke the Bollinger Bands upwards. Okay, it was overbought. Well, no, still, because Tesla went up from $167 to $220 in one single blow. Even considering that the RSI was in overbought territory, even considering that Tesla broke the Bollinger Bands upwards, there was still plenty of room for it to go up. Similarly, it could go down right now as well. So I wouldn't believe in any thesis saying that Tesla is oversold at this moment right now, because it could drop to lower levels. To me, it all depends on the broad market. Therefore, let's see how the S&P is going to react above the 47.8. Let's see if the Nasdaq is going to recover and close above the 12.8K tomorrow or by the end of the week. It all depends on how the indices are gonna play from here. Either way, the next support level on Tesla is 146. This is what this bearish thesis is telling us that Tesla is going to do right now. It is going to seek 146. Let's see if the market is going to do a miraculous recovery or not. Either way, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, if you're still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, would you please subscribe? I mean, you liked the content, am I right? So subscribe this channel, click on the like button to support me as well. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.